Hey BZBGEAR fans, my name is Matt Richards with BZBGEAR. We are here at InfoComm 2026. It is the last day, but that doesn't mean that it has to be the boring day or the worst day or anything.
It's the best day.
It is the best day because it's a culmination of everything that we've learned this week, everything that we've seen this week. It's just the big finale, basically. I'm joined by Matt at HDBaseT. So Matt, he's here to go ahead and tell us about HDBaseT, what's new, what you can do with HDBaseT, and all of the good stuff that's happening in 2026.
Sure, I'd be happy to. So, yeah, like Matt said, my name is Matt Snell. I'm head of sales for North America for Valence Semiconductor. Valence Semiconductor, we are the ones that make the HDBaseT technology possible. I'd say we've been having a great week here. It's been a really great show. I think the professional AV market is solid and growing, and we're seeing really good business. I'd say some of the trends we're seeing definitely include a continued move and evolution towards USB-C as connectivity technology. So it's this marriage of video and data over the USB-C connector, and that dovetails very well with the HDMI. And I'd say another thing we're seeing, one of the cool proof of concept things we're showing this time is a new iteration of USB 3 extension. So Valence brought USB 3 5 gig extension to the market a couple of years ago, and there's some great products from that. But now we want to make it embeddable, if you will. And so we've been showing a low power version of USB 3 extension that's been getting a lot of excitement for next generation embedding in cameras and in cables and dongles and so on, so that to make it easier and bring USB 3 extension to legacy cameras.
Yeah,
so it's been pretty cool technology.
Absolutely. And one of the cool things about HDBaseT, if you guys didn't know, is this, if I'm not mistaken, 15 years?
15 years, yeah, that's right. So, thank you. We're celebrating HDBaseT Alliance was founded 15 years ago, and so it's been a big celebration this year. We did a little bit of celebrating at ISE. Now we did a big celebration here at InfoComm. It was founded 15 years ago. Hard to believe. 15 years ago,
for sure.
This year. Yeah, and as you can see, we've got our founding members, our contributing members. We've about 200 members of the HDBaseT Alliance, including BZBGEAR, of course. And it's been very successful, and the HDBaseT Alliance really brought interoperability, and it was the first standard, Pro AV standard, to really bring interoperability and help the market grow in those early days when 1080p was going to 4K, and we're struggling with extension, and HDBaseT solved all those problems. And we really are grateful for all of our members and their support over the years to bring that, to help us push that technology forward.
For sure.
Give us great feedback on what's needed in the market and what customers need. And we couldn't do it without all the members, obviously.
Yeah, absolutely. And on our end, we have a couple of HDBaseT products. We have some behind us. We have the BGEAR 4K C7, and we also have our one of our 8K solutions as well, which is pretty awesome. But what I really want to mention is we've actually come out with our BGMC series, our modular matrix. And one of the really cool things that we can do with that is we can actually plug in HDBaseT extension cards into that modular matrix.
That's very cool.
So really cool thing on our end, I think. So if you're looking to get uncompressed extension of your video signal, as well as even USB and a whole bunch of other goodies, HDBaseT is really what you're going to be wanting to look at. So Matt, thank you again for your time. We really hope you had a great InfoComm. And for everybody else out there, well, it may be the last day, but it's not the last day of us getting you content. So keep tuned. We're going to have more coming your way.